Hello and welcome back to another video, Tim and Matt's travel reviews, and today we're back in Reykjavik in Iceland, staying at the same hotel we've stayed at before actually, the Marina Hotel, the Icelandair Marina Hotel. A different room this time though to what we've already got on the channel. This is a top floor, I think it's an attic room or loft room, I'll pop the name down below, which means you get one of these beautiful views across the marina with the mountains in the background. The top floor rooms have these balconies, which they do open, but as you can see, it's been snowing quite heavily. It's mid-Feb, pretty damn cold outside, so I've tried opening it and we can't get out there, so it's nice to have, but maybe more useful in the summer. But yeah, swing around. We've got a nice bed, feels fairly firm, which I prefer. Radiator on the side there. It is lovely and toasty in here. And then your living area, really. You've got your chair, TV, safe mini fridge, coffees with complimentary pods to use, telephone and all your media outlets here that connect up to the room. Sockets there. I think there's some round by the side of the bed on the side there. Yeah, and the same the other side, so plenty of outlets to use. Lovely tall room as well, even though these rooms on the top floor are slightly smaller than the rest of the rooms below because you have the balcony. This height of the rooms makes it feel very spacious and airy. And that just leaves the bathroom. Well appointed, very nice. It's a wet room bathroom, so you have your toilet and then your shower, plenty of space, products. Backing back up, and yeah, just your sink area. So yeah, very nice room, perfectly located. It's a short walk into Reykjavik. You're not slap bang in it, but you are close. Reykjavik's not big, it just takes minutes to walk in. And what's really handy here is if you are planning on doing any boat tours, whale watching or northern lights, they all pick up from here. Last time we were picked up exactly where that red boat is, and all the huts you can just see, those little wooden huts, are actually where you book. All the different companies are just laid across there, and you just go down and pick the one you want and book with them there. So super location for that, especially if you're getting off the boat and you're freezing cold, you've been out for a while, you can come straight back to the hotel and refresh yourself. So there we go, short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. If you have any questions, please put them below. I'll do my best to answer. And until next time, I'll see you then.